Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I mounted my Insta360 X3 camera to my dirt bike for some epic off-road footage. Like and subscribe for more bike life videos. I had to get creative with some unconventional mounting methods, using an U-bolt mount, a GoPro mount, and some trusty tie rips. Here's how. First, I mounted the U-bolt mount to the bike's frame. This securely attaches the Insta360 114 cm invisible selfie stick to the bike, but it will be very unstable at speed. To make it more secure, I attached a GoPro adhesive mount to the rear fender with a swivel mount and a 25 cm extension arm. I used some tie rips to connect the extension arm to the selfie stick. And there you have it. With some creativity, I was able to easily mount my Insta360 X3 to my Husqvarna FE450 dirt bike and capture some jaw-dropping footage of my off-road adventures. Let me show you some of the footage I got. Like and subscribe for more bike life videos.